So we're very proud of the fact that our School of Business at SAIT received the #1 ranking for schools of business in Canada in accordance with CEO magazine. We have a range of business programs, everything from business administration to supply chain management, even to a fintech major in our business administration degree. Our business programs are special because they blend theory with applied education. So all students are actually applying what they learn in their program with industry in some shape or form, everything from a capstone project to a full co-op project. Our students are prepared to hit the ground running when they enter the business sector.